Hi all, I'm Sai Kumar Anisetti. Let's unbox a new jigsaw from Bosch, which was introduced a month ago. That's a GST 680 model, which is a 500 watt powered motor. So there is a lot of confusion. Let's see the older jigsaw from Bosch, which is a pretty popular model, GST 650. This is often confused with the newer version of 680. So you can pause the video and check the features of both of these models. 650 is an older one and 680 is a newer version. I see the newer version has a more 50 watt more motor into it. Let's unbox it. So this is the packaging, how I got it from Amazon. So I'll post the Amazon link, affiliated link in the description below. Please do check it. See, it has a speed selection, air blower, and it has a soft grip which is not there in GST 650, and it has a vacuum port. And to see the technical data, so it is pretty much same as 650. The stroke rate is same and the stroke length is 20 mm. The maximum cutting depth would be for wood it is 68 mm. So for metal it would be, for aluminum it would be like 3 mm sheet. For hardwood it would be around 10 mm, and the weight of it is around 2 kilos. I feel like pretty it is 1.8 kilo. So this is the packaging, so the side packaging I got. So let's unbox it. So this has a original seal. Please check the original seal from the Bosch man, from wherever you get, whether you get it from a local dealer or from Amazon affiliated link or somewhere. Check whether the tools are original or not. So this has pretty much a simple packaging. I did not get a box to it, but it is a simple cardboard box. If you order that from a US or a Canada website, you get a plastic box, but Indian version hasn't. So the cable is pretty much good, and it has let's check the gauge of the wire. So it is made in China. Okay, it has 0.75 square mm and it is 110,000 volts. So it's a pretty standard wire which we expect from Bosch. So it is pretty much good. So anyhow, this is made in China. These products are designed in Germany, but they are made in China. So you'll get an Allen key to open up. You can just check, it is just the size of my palm. So this is just a palm jigsaw. So this is the front of the jigsaw, the branding GST 680. It is just pretty small and pretty powerful. You'll get a soft grip. This is what I was talking about. This is not there in the older version of 650. You also get a lock to it. This is a pretty much a good switch, plastic. The feel is really good, and you get a vacuum port, or else you can use it as a blower, or else you can use it as a vacuum port to suck all the dust away. So that is just a simple one. Let's check the diameter of the vacuum hose. You don't need to measure it with a vernier, but it is around 27 mm, I guess. It is, yeah, around 26-27 mm. Okay, so this has a speed control. So for different applications, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So always remember to use higher speed for a wood, for a softer wood. The material becomes harder, you need to reduce the speed. That is always the thumb rule for any jigsaw, or else for any cutting things. So this has a supporting wheel for that jigsaw. I feel like it has a play for the left and right direction. So that play should be there, or else the blade would bend. So let's see the base plate. So it has to 45 degree adjustment less or minus 45 degree adjustment. You can see the marking on the side. Let me tilt it and show it to you. It is 0 to 45 degrees. So I did not measure whether the accuracy of it, but it is pretty much good. You can do it. But you know what, there is a 0 degree angle which there is a simple clip which I'll just show there. That's just wobbling. It's just wobbly. So for this price range you get these kind of rotors, but it is pretty much good. But once it is tightened, it is fixed. So let's see. I'll just show you the base plate. So how to adjust the 0 degree angle. See, there is a notch and a socket, so where you can adjust 0 degree. So the notch will assist us to set it to a 0 degree angle, and pretty much it's a good thing. So instead of here and there, so let me tighten it up and see. For I'm not checking whether this is perfect 90 degree or not. So this is pretty much all about it.